Erwin Schrodinger, a name synonymous with quantum mechanics, was born on August 12, 1887, in Vienna, Austria. He was the only child of Rudolf Schrödinger and Georgine Emilia Brender, the latter being a daughter of Alexander Bauer, a prominent professor of chemistry at the Technical College of Vienna. Coming from a cultured family, Erwin was immersed in an environment of intellectual fervor from an early age. His father, Rudolf, who came from a Bavarian family, was an amateur painter and a man with diverse scholarly interests, including botany and the classics. This eclectic ambiance significantly influenced the young Schrödinger's insatiable curiosity and passion for science. Schrödinger's formal education began at the academic grammar school in Vienna, and later he joined the University of Vienna in 1906, where he studied under the guidance of the eminent physicist Friedrich Hasenöhrl. In 1910, he earned his doctorate, and by 1914 he had habilitated, which enabled him to teach at universities. During World War I, Schrödinger served in the Austrian army, but continued his research as much as possible. After the war, Schrödinger held several academic positions throughout Europe, including roles at the universities of Stuttgart, Breslau, and Zurich. His groundbreaking work emerged during this period. In 1926, inspired by a footnote in a paper by Albert Einstein, Schrödinger developed the wave equation, a fundamental equation of quantum mechanics that describes how the quantum state of a physical system changes over time. This work earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1933, which he shared with British physicist Paul Dirac. Schrödinger's wave equation revolutionized our understanding of atomic and subatomic processes. Perhaps one of Schrödinger's most famous contributions to popular science is the thought experiment known as Schrödinger's cat, proposed in 1935. This paradox was designed to illustrate the peculiarities of quantum mechanics, particularly the concept of superposition, where a particle can be in several states at once until it is observed. In the thought experiment, a cat in a sealed box could be simultaneously alive and dead, depending on an earlier random event, until the box is opened and the cat observed. This paradox challenges our perceptions of reality and has become a cornerstone of quantum physics debates. Despite his scientific achievements, Schrödinger's life was also shaped by the political upheavals of the 20th century. The rise of the Nazi regime in Germany prompted him to leave his position at the University of Berlin in 1933. He spent some time in England, Austria, and even in Italy before accepting a permanent position in Ireland. There, he helped establish the Institute for Advanced Studies in Dublin, where he worked until his retirement in 1956. Schrödinger then returned to Vienna, where he continued to write and reflect on philosophical questions raised by quantum physics. Schrödinger's life was a confluence of scientific brilliance and persistent curiosity. Beyond his research in quantum mechanics, Schrödinger made substantial contributions to the theory of color and to biophysics, authoring the book, What is Life?, which discussed ideas of quantum biology and genetics and influenced many, including future Nobel laureate Francis Crick. Schrödinger remained intellectually active until his death on January 4, 1961, in Vienna. His legacy endures not only in his scientific discoveries, but also in his philosophical inquiries into the nature of life and consciousness. Erwin Schrödinger's journey was one of profound intellectual adventure, marked by innovative contributions that forever altered our understanding of the quantum world. His life story continues to inspire scientists and thinkers, proving that the pursuit of knowledge is a timeless endeavor. Drop a comment below with the next genius you want us to explore. Stay curious and keep exploring Bytes of Goats.